Today is August 12, Sunday. We're going to the church. We have to attend the first mass today before doing anything. Og
Si Michelle mo to.
ha? Michelle. Karon madung na ta sa simbahan. Ni ang Karsada. This is the road we're driving going to the church, St. Michael the Archangel Parish in Big Island, Kona, Hawaii. Nindot kayong kabuntagon, pero wala pa may adlaw. There's no more sun yet. The sun is not up yet. Karon amo kong ipakita sa akong driver nga si Paul. Paul, good morning, Poy.
Good morning. Shower.
And right in the back, the king of the road. Kumusta to?
Kira.
Good morning, diha.
Retire already.
Retire already. That's good. Enjoy your life as a senior citizen. Ano sa manipuyo mo? What happened? What did you put to your face?
Ako palitin ng naibinadrill dito. Dili na itse.
It's like kind of
Kaya kung binadrill ointment para manas mga kuwan.
Asa taagi po eh.
647 na okay pa.
Tumiagi sa King Kamehameha Hotel, going to Ali'i Drive. Karon sidlak na ang adlaw. Look at the beauty of Hawaii. Mingaw ang karsada. The road is quiet right now. No traffic at this time.